is Kram.
My name is Corey Robbins.
And my name is Omar Zahdan, and we're about to show you how to run our program.
Okay, so for our final project, we decided to do a video game analysis. And so we go ahead and started our program, and the first thing that pops up is an internal menu that asks us what analysis we would like to perform. So the very first analysis that we can perform is a search by rank. Upon selecting that, you'll be prompted to enter a valid integer to retrieve data about that rank game. So let's start off with a simple number like 15. The number 15 rank game is Wii Fit Plus. This game was released in 2009 by Nintendo, and they have sold roughly 22 million copies worldwide. Please press any key for further instructions. And then we have a menu here. Would you like to continue? Yes, I would like to continue. And we can loop through and check out all sorts of ranked games. Like the number 100 ranked game is Battlefield, for example. And we can keep going on in that fashion until we've become satisfied with our analysis in that sense. And would I like to continue? Yes.
So for the next test, it's the data by year. So when we press data by year, it gives us the number of top games released by year. So the number of games that made it to the top 100 in that year. So for example, in 1980, only like 3 games made it to the top 100. Or like for example, I think this was 2007. For example, like 65 games made it to the top 100 list. So now my friend Omar will show you the third and fourth analysis for this project.
Okay, so after we're done with this, we just exit out and we would continue. Yes, so we would search data by genre, and once we open that, it gives us a pie chart of the number of top games released by genre. So here you can see that there was 14% of top games that were sports, 6% were fighting, for example, 23% were action, and so on. And once we're done reviewing this, we can just exit, and we'd like to continue, yes. And then we go by sales by country, so we open that, and it gives us a line graph of the total units. So here the total sales were around 4.2 billion units of games sold, including all countries like North America, Europe and Japan and other sales. And yeah, basically that's it. So we exit from that, and after we're done with all the searches, we just go and we say no, and it tells us goodbye, and that's our analysis basically. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.